Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm on the Nissan Qashqai 2012 7-seater. I've got a problem with the vehicle, which is that the stop-start system fault is on. You can see it on the dashboard there. It's occurred after the battery died completely. Lights or something must have been left on and there was no power in the morning. So I'm at Euro Car Parts just now, and I'd bought a very specific battery from Euro Car Parts, which also came with a lifetime guarantee or warranty as long as I had the vehicle under my possession. So it does require the receipt on it, but I'm down here anyway, so I just thought I'd just mention that. Now, the reason why it's got this battery from Euro Car Parts is because they made a battery very specific for the Nissan Qashqai, which was for the stop-start system. The Nissan ones were failing all the time, the original batteries. So they came out with this battery, which is, as I said, very specific for the Nissan Qashqai stop-start system. Now I'm going to show you that battery later on in the specifications. I'm not too sure if it's still running, but still selling these ones. But this one was purchased about 6 years ago, and it's been perfect right up until, as I said, this recent problem. It's I think it's a winter problem. I think, as I said, lights have been left on. I don't think it's drained. So this is the battery that I purchased, as I said, 6 years ago. 70 AH EN 650 CCA, and hopefully you can get some information from that. That is all the labels on it. It's nothing fantastic, and what I'm doing is I'm using this Halford's desulfonator battery charger. You can use any battery charger, but I've got the desulfonator one on it. How well it works, I'm not too sure. There's a video on it, but as you can see, the battery is showing a low power, and we're going to charge it at quite a low ampage. I think it's only 4 amps it's charging at, so it's going to take quite a while. And at the top of it, you can see the little the magic eye, which should have a green light on there. Now, it's not actually a light, it's a float. So that float will pop up when the battery levels are, the fluid levels are high, so you'll be able to see it. As I said, I can't see it here, so it may be that it's just jammed, or it could be, as you said, the battery levels, the battery fluid levels are low. Nonetheless, the battery was working fine right up to this point, so I'm going to assume that it's stuck, and I'm going to recharge it. Okay, as I'm recharging it, I'll do maybe 2 or 3 times, and that's it back in the vehicle now. And you can see that after a short journey, and I mentioned it's a short journey because the error light will come back on, but after a short journey, you can see the stop-start light is on. I'm just cycling through the buttons here, and the stop-start error light is off, should I say. All the best. Take care. Bye.